In the heart of Scotland's rich history, amidst towering castles and ancient landscapes, craftsmen forged a weapon, a marvel of engineering, that reshaped history and changed the course of warfare forever: the Scottish Trebuchet. Crafted with precision and unparalleled innovation, the Scottish Trebuchet stood tall as a symbol of strategic prowess and formidable power, a testament to Scottish ingenuity and expertise. Its mighty arms swung gracefully, launching projectiles with astonishing accuracy and force, capable of striking fear into the hearts of military forces from great distances, defending kingdoms and toppling adversaries.
The Scottish Trebuchet revolutionized medieval warfare, offering unmatched firepower and tactical advantage to those who wielded it. Its impact extended far beyond the battlefield, shaping the very fabric of history. The Scottish Trebuchet wasn't just a weapon, it was a game changer. Its precision and range shifted the balance of power in battles, forever altering military strategies.
Even today, the legacy of this remarkable invention endures, reminding us of the ingenuity and innovation of the past. This towering testament to innovation stands as a reminder of Scotland's engineering brilliance and the relentless pursuit of excellence. Witness the might and majesty of the Scottish Trebuchet, a testament to the embodiment of human ingenuity, creativity and determination that echoes through the ages.